Welcome to Havillah Orphanage. My name is Frazier Mathis. I am the director of Havillah Orphanage. We have a home here for abandoned children, orphan children, and the building that's behind me is our learning center. In this learning center, we have sewing classes, we also have computer class, and we also have a bakery in this class. And what we're trying to do now with the bakery, we started our bakery and we were doing 500 loaves a day. But then the electricity got sporadic and it got really crazy for us. So we realized that we were going to need solar. And with that in mind, we were able to get Photons to come, an excellent company. They did a marvelous job. They were on time and the price was nice. So we are really enjoying what they've done here for us. And we would recommend them to anyone who needs solar panels. So we want to say thank you for coming and installing these panels for us. And anything we can do to help our children, thank you. Because now we can bake the bread and we can get them further down in life. So for all the work that you guys have done, Global Vessels, we want to say thank you for helping Global Vessels to do better for these children. Thank you so much.